Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Racist Bully Gets the Beat Out of Him by Midwest Safety.
Do you need medical attention?
I don't. I just got a busted knuckle. He gonna need some medical attention though. I'm not gonna lie. I hit him with. I got
Some
a
what?
portable speaker in my car.
Is he intoxicated or?
He's drinking a beer right now.
Okay.
Leaning on my car, I asked him, "Can you please back up? What's the issue?"
Yeah.
And he's like, "There's no issue." And then he pushed my car. I was just like, "Hey, step away from my car." I stepped out. I'm asking, like, "What's the issue?" And he gets tough, starts taking off his clothes and stuff, pushing me, and he said, "There's no issue." I back up, reach in my car, grab my speaker. I'm like, "Hey, I want you to get away from me. Can you please go over there? It's all on camera." She got it. Then he pushed me again. That's when I swung.
Okay. You need fire up here. He's saying that guy probably needs
On his property is crazy.
medical attention.
Yeah.
Do you mind if we step in?
Yeah.
Is there anybody else here?
Yeah, my here.
With your neighbor is crazy. You got to see this motherfucker every day.
I'm gonna call you back.
Hello. Hello.
You see this?
I do.
Yeah. I've been jumped, and now the police are here. There's 1, 2, 3 cops, buddy.
Damn.
My head is split
There goes that right there.
wide open, buddy. I've got blood all down the front of me. Some black dude from next door has called the cops on me. Send my mom.
That's crazy. You be racist. Actually, let me get my words together because you be is not proper English. You are racist to black people. You get your ass beat and you get the cops called on you. You are having a really shitty day.
Whoever.
Can you talk to me?
Thank you.
America.
What's going on, man?
What's going on? Let's go out here.
Hold on. Let's stay right
No, we're gonna go right out here.
Hey.
Right out here where the dude is jumping.
Hold on a second.
No.
Stop.
Do you see this?
I do. We're going to
He sound like Kevin Hart daddy. Kevin, help me. Somebody hit me with an octopus.
try to divide it. We're not going to go out the side and start hooting and hollering.
Him.
We're going to do it from right here.
We're gonna do it from right here.
Yes.
So I get my head split wide open from right here, and you give a about him?
No.
Him.
I didn't say that.
Okay, let's step out on
No,
the
we're going to
porch.
stay right here.
No, we're not. I'm going out on
Buddy,
the
we're going to
porch.
step back. Is what you're going to
Dang, his shirt is all ripped up.
do.
Okay.
Step back.
Have I committed a crime here? Do you see
We're
me?
trying to get you taken care of.
You, I'm fine. I want out on that porch.
Just wait a minute.
I want out on that porch.
Just wait.
You, him, him. Do you see my head?
I do.
They blurred it out. It's got to be fucked up when they blur it out.
Go ahead and
I want out. Now I'm leaving. Stop. Jimmy, do you see this? Jimmy, do you see this?
Place your hands
What the
behind your
hell?
back now.
Let's go, Wimby.
Why?
6350 NY.
Because I've been attacked.
He's pretty aggressive right now, so we got him in handcuffs because he wanted to push out and start fighting with these guys again. So
we're trying to get you taken care of, man.
Officer Wolf,
We're trying to get the medics to fix your head,
I
man.
don't care about my head. This is
Obviously, you don't. Shit, you probably need to get beat up some more.
will you do me a huge favor?
Go inside.
I don't care about going outside. We're trying to keep him from coming out here because he wants to come out here. And the last thing we
I ain't gonna lie, this remind me of my granny people's place in Dallas in Oak Cliff.
need is more.
Well, it wasn't Oak Cliff. It was like further way down.
Then, right?
Oh, beyond.
All right, that's what I thought. He shouldn't have been.
With them little window heaters, them little window units, them motherfuckers make the best heat and the best AC.
Driving, bro.
I agree with you 100%.
You're letting him go. That's him.
But if you guys want to hang out here, I'm going to stand here. If he comes over here, I'll take care of it. Okay? I appreciate if you guys just don't say a word. You guys can go ahead and let him outside. I got the other half over here.
This piece of shit over here is a
Bro, I ain't never seen somebody talk and get their ass whooped and then want to talk some more. Like,
motherfucker that split my goddamn head open. Do you see this motherfucker over here?
Calm down.
Why am I sitting on this top?
Can you sit down here for me?
No, I did
cause you the victim.
nothing. Do you see my
Yeah, even though you the aggressor.
head? That piece of shit motherfucker over there did it. No, I'm done. I don't want to go on this cot until my family
His,
gets here.
his shirt so messed up. They should have been talking about turn him loose. Some old person should have been saying that.
I'm not going
Turn him
on
loose.
that cot.
Turn him
I
loose.
don't want to go to the hospital. I'm fine right here.
Can I at least take a look at your head there?
You can take a look at my head right there, and you can talk that piece of shit motherfucker scumbag, black ass piece of shit right there. That's what you can do. Hey,
I call medical attention for your ass. I call medical attention for your ass. I call medical attention for you because I love you like a son.
I want that scumbag, racist piece of shit over there to go to jail.
Hey, Mike, just so the medics know, have you had any alcohol or drugs today?
No, I don't drink.
Yes, he
I don't
has.
do drugs. That nigga over there, he
Taking
probably does
prescription
quite a bit.
medication?
They gonna keep letting them say
What
it.
caused all this tonight, man?
What caused all this is I came over here to talk to my
Damn.
buddy. He came out and apparently has a problem with white people. He don't like white people. So
Says the person with the Confederate flag
that
in their living room.
this all. Do you see my head?
Yeah.
Do you see his head?
Yeah.
Uncuff me, I'm done.
We're not done yet.
I am done. Do you see me?
Uncuff me, I'm done. Yeah, right. That privilege there is crazy.
Do you see him? Uncuff me! Okay, goodbye.
You're not going anywhere, bud.
Let me go.
He's super drunk.
You're trying to lean into me. I'm just going to let you fall to the ground. I'm
Just
trying
gonna
not to do that because I want you to
I
get
just
hurt.
want to let go.
All right.
Fine.
You try to walk away again, I'm putting you on the ground.
I've done nothing.
Nobody said you done anything.
Why is he f***ing trying to take me to the ground?
Taking you to the hospital.
I don't want to go to the hospital.
Don't get involved.
Thank you, Mama. At least somebody got some sense into the mother.
They're gonna take him to jail.
Look, she like take him to jail. He kicking? Oh, that's a no-no. Grown ass man kicking, that don't feel good at all.
That was just my microphone getting kicked.
Mom!
Got the legs. That's good.
You're going to the hospital, and then
Oh, call for your mama now.
you're going to jail. You understand me? You understand what I'm saying?
You f***ing ass piece of shit. I'll see you in court.
All right.
Damn. He bleeding through his bandage.
I'm not going on that gurney. Bullshit. Bullshit, motherfucker. I'm not going on that gurney. Ah! Mom! Get him up. Mom! You don't want to get shot?
Hearing a racist call for their mom is ultimate joy right now. It's like I'm getting a really nice joy from this shit.
Again, stay still. You're not gonna.
Cause like, what do you get from like being racist? Like, we all bleed the same. We all go through the same shit. Like, I don't understand it.
I didn't hurt nobody. You motherfuckers going to f***ing jail. Hey! Stop it!
Well, tasers don't feel good.
Do you see me? I'm the threat.
Yeah. If you stay there, you're kicking him back.
You're a jackass.
Did you get it all?
This suspect, Michael, was charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer, hate crime, and aggravated resisting obstructing. He is
Dang, he got hate crime, man. They whooped the shit out of him.
presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. While Michael was never able to lay his hands on the victim, this next racist suspect sucker punches multiple staff members at a bar.
Yo, he just assaulted two of us. What's going on? Huh? What's going on with these guys right here?
No, they tried to make me pay more money than I owe.
But they say you didn't pay your
No, I paid my tab. Go in there and look. No. How do they know my name?
Sir,
Yo, Michael, look like you ain't pay that motherfucker.
I'm just they called me over here. That's why I'm here. Okay?
What they-
I'm here to keep peaceful.
they
Make sure
clapping
nothing's
for?
gonna happen. No one's gonna fight.
You shut up.
Hey,
I'll beat your ass.
Hey.
Shut your fucking mouth.
Just work here, dude.
I will beat your ass. I will fucking beat your ass.
Point at me again.
What do you mean? I point at you.
And I would have came with the right so fast. Like what? Jaw. These 1, 2, 3, 4 knuckles would have been across your eyes.
Nah, you get out of the way.
Calm down.
Let us do this.
Listen to me.
He's the cop. He can't do that, bro.
You're gonna end up in jail. Stop.
He about to say, I don't care, brother.
You want to go to jail?
Yeah.
No,
Turn around, put your hands behind your back, bud.
I don't want to go to
Listen,
jail.
all right, then chill out. Because I ain't playing games.
All right.
I ain't playing games with you. All right, you need to chill the out. You have your ID on you?
No.
You have any?
how the fuck you ain't got no ID on you and you gotta use your ID to drink?
What's your name?
I ain't giving it to you.
You're gonna go to jail.
I'm not giving you my name.
I'm telling you right now. You better stop.
Get off my shirt.
Chill out.
Get off my shirt.
Chill out. Put your hands on your.
All right, I will chill. I will chill.
Chill out.
I will chill.
Oh my God, I would not have gotten this much leeway, bro.
Put your hands behind your
I will
back.
chill.
Sir,
I'm not gonna put my hands behind my back.
you're gonna put your hands behind your back.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Ask me my name.
All right.
I'll give you what you
You're
want.
gonna chill the
Give
out,
you what
right?
you want. Yes.
You chill the out.
Yes.
You're not
Yes.
gonna play around no more, are you? Are you gonna play around? You're gonna ruin your Sunday. You need to chill out.
Listen.
No, you listen.
I haven't.
You listen to me.
I haven't been playing around. I don't consider this
Alright,
playing around.
I do. I think it's fucking stupid, childish.
I think it's stupid too.
Pretty much.
Just fucking calm down.
Cause you like 50 years old acting like a 5-year-old.
Calm the f
All
down.
right, let go of me.
No, you're gonna put your hands behind your back. Is what you're gonna do.
No, I'm gonna put them down.
Put them behind your back.
What the fuck? I ain't never. Wow. Entitlement. Wow.
No, I'm gonna put them down.
Wow.
I'm not putting my hands behind my
You're
back.
gonna end up in
I've
jail.
done nothing wrong.
You're gonna end up in jail.
Dude, you're gonna get drilled. I've done nothing
Coming out
wrong.
with 2 sip on my 94.
You
I paid
drilled.
my tab and I left.
What the fuck does that
Paid
mean?
my tab and I left.
Sit on the ground. Sit on
I'm
the.
not gonna sit.
Sit on the ground.
I will stand.
Sit on the ground
that?
now. Sit down on the
You
ground.
ain't gonna tell me what to do.
Sit on the ground.
I'll lean against this post.
You're gonna sit on the ground.
I'm not gonna sit
You're gonna
down.
sit on the ground. What you're
You're
gonna do?
stupid.
Bro, why you ain't threw this man to the ground yet?
Sit on the ground.
Do you think I'm that dumb?
Sit on the ground.
Let go of me.
Sit. No, I'm not letting you go.
I'll drill
better
you in
sit
the
down.
mouth.
Drill me in the mouth.
Drill? You gonna drill a cop? I want to see how this is gonna play out.
I'll see what happens to you.
Oh,
Get
he said, "See what the fuck happened to you."
I'm not trying to.
all right. Sit on the ground.
I'm not gonna sit on the ground.
All right.
I'll stand.
Sit on the ground. Sit down.
I'm not gonna stand.
Sit the down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down. Tell you
Let
right
go
now.
of me.
Tell you right now to sit down.
Let go of me.
Sit down.
Let go of me.
2 seconds still.
You're gonna let go of me.
You got a taser? Yeah,
Dude,
taser ready.
dude, I'm not.
You're gonna get the
He's
tased.
trying to.
Don't sit down, you're gonna get tased.
He's trying to throw me
Sit
off.
down.
He's trying to throw me
Sit on the
off
ground, you're
ground.
gonna get tased. Sit on the ground.
Why is he trying to use? This guy here is dumb.
Ground now. Sit on the ground now, you're gonna get tased. Let's go, sit. Sit down. Sit down the ground.
Why?
Sit. Eric, come over here,
I'm
man.
good.
Get on the ground.
Shut up.
Ground. Get on the ground. Stay down there. Put your Dave. Put your hands. Put your hands. Well, you're gonna get maced. You're gonna get maced. Put your hands behind your back, or you're gonna get maced.
What do you want?
All right. Dave, look out. Look at me. Look at me.
Ah, he's afraid of me. Talking about look at me.
Put your hands behind your back. I told you you're gonna get sprayed.
Well, his face about to be looking like a red hot chili pepper.
Hands behind your back.
You're gonna shoot me now?
What's your name now, motherfucker?
Yeah, tough guy.
What's your name?
My name's Tough Guy. Stupid.
My name is Tough Guy.
What'd you do?
All that badge, that.
Yeah. I thought you were gonna hit me.
You're a liar.
See this right here? This camera?
You're a liar.
See this camera right here?
You're a liar.
Yeah, we'll see.
Somebody sit me up.
Nope. You're gonna stay right there.
Nah, okay.
You still don't listen.
Just let me sit up.
No. Stay on your side. Lift your feet up to your chest so you can breathe. There you go. Just like that.
Quit pushing on me.
Just like that.
Let me sit up.
But this is funny as hell.
All right. So what happened?
So I approached him. I said, "Sir, you still have a tab open at the bar." And then he just went off the handle. He said, "What mother?" I said, "Sir, I'm just saying that you have an unpaid tab." And that's when he approached us and swung on.
He swung at you?
He swung at him first, got him first. Actually hit him. He rocked my shit. He hit me over here.
He say he rocked my shit.
Okay, we're just all laughing now. Right here. So it's because he didn't pay his bar tab.
He paid one of the servers.
I'm sorry. That's not supposed to be funny.
And then when my bartender's like, "Shane, when you go get him, he hasn't paid his bar tab." I said, "Okay, not a problem." I'm like, "Sir, you haven't paid a bar tab." And then he got completely belligerent. And then he's like, "Wait, you call me a I'm like, "No, sir, I'm just saying that you haven't paid a bar tab." And then he came just to assist me, and then that's when he walked off. And then he showed up, and then he started swinging on me.
Who do you swing at? He swung at.
He sucker punched me hard, like rock my fighter. Rock my fighter.
You have your ID on you?
Yeah.
So I can remember.
And then that's
Oh, he's a
when
fighter. You ain't fighting back, boy. I would have left him red, white, and blue. Shit.
because he started getting physical.
He already white.
Took all my shit, just like some fucking Jew-ass thief. What I do? What the fuck did I do?
That's a thing? Jew inwards?
For what?
Come on, man.
I can't see.
Sit back, watch your head.
I can't see. You're gonna take me to jail.
Yeah, sit down.
For what?
You're going to jail. I just told you we're going to jail.
Disorderly conduct.
Ain't wiped his face off yet. They just gonna let that shit burn.
Battery. Duck your head in so you don't hit it on the
All
car.
right, loosen up the cuffs a little bit.
Sit down.
You got too many demands.
They're as loose as they get.
Stop making it worse, please.
That's what she said.
This suspect, Derek, was charged with battery, assault on a law enforcement officer, resisting, obstructing without violence, petty theft for not paying his tab, disorderly conduct, and resisting detention arrest. While he initially pleaded not guilty, he later took a plea deal, changing his plea to no contest in exchange for a sentence of 6 months of probation. He was also ordered to complete anger management and to have no contact with the multiple victims.
Facts. If it's my first offense, baby, I'm doing no contest. You hear me? Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. And don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps the channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. We out. I thought I was about to sing, huh?